Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Bank of America's online banking account. In order to log in, first of all you must have an account on Bank of America, only then you'll be able to do it. So without any further delay, let us get started. In order to log in, first of all open up your web browser, and also you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As soon as you open the web browser, right on top you can see there is a search box. So then type in the link that is www.bankofamerica.com. Also you can find the link on my description box. On the other page you will land inside the official site, and over here the interface kind of look like this, and on the same page you can see in the left hand side corner there is your login page. Over here right on top you must enter the correct username that is associated with your Bank of America, and once you enter the username, under it you have to enter the password, so make sure to enter the correct password. Once you're done entering your information, under it you can see save user ID. In case if you don't want to enter your username every time that you log in, so you can tap on it. When you try to log in, you'll only have to enter your password. And once you're done, tap on login and you will land inside your Bank of America's online banking account. In case you happen to forgot your user ID or your password, what you can do is you can tap on forgot ID or password, which is right at the bottom under login. You can tap on it and then you can recover your ID or your password. So that is how you can log in into your Bank of America's online banking account. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.